Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to get latest iOS 16 developer beta on your iPhone or iPads. So let's get started without wasting any time. So the very first thing what you need to do is just tap here on your Safari browser and then here search for the beta.apple.com. Here it is. So tap on this, and after that what you need to do is just here tap on get started. And then you have to sign in with your Apple ID here. So after you have done this, just scroll it below here, and here is the option enroll your iOS device. So tap on this, and again scroll it below here, and here is the download profile option. So tap on this, and type allow, close it, and open up your settings. Tap on profile downloaded and tap on install. Give here your passcode for your IT device and then tap on install again to confirm the process. Tap on not now and tap on done. So that's pretty much for this video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any problem, let me know in the comment. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.